Coming to you live from the Crypto Report, another crypto live stream. Let's go. Alrighty then, and welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and an exciting week it is, guys. This is a big week. Maxi and myself are traveling down to Austin, Texas to get together with some other crypto influencers who you may or may not know. You probably know them. You're going to see we're going to be doing some collaborations with them, I believe, or at least we'll be hanging out with them a little bit. Probably snap a pic or two, and you know, guys, just have a good time learning all there is to know at Consensus, a major cryptocurrency conference in Austin, Texas this week. And this week only happens, I believe, once a year, but this is a bull market year, so this is a big conference. Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is going to be speaking there, and other keynote speakers that a lot of people know, some that we don't know, and we're going to learn a little bit about. Big announcements are coming out this week, so we're going to try to catch the word on the street, learn as much as we can in Austin about what's going on in the crypto space, and get to know some people face to face in this space that we haven't yet had the chance to meet. So that is very exciting, and a big shout out to Oscar Ramos for extending his hand out and basically inviting us down to stay at the Airbnb with a couple of these guys. We're very excited. Shout out to Zach Humphreys and Austin Hilton as well, who are there, and we're going to be getting together with them, having a good old time and learning whatever there is to know, guys. So tomorrow morning we'll be down there, probably shoot some videos for you on the way to the airport, maybe when we get into Austin at the conference, after the conference. We'll see how it goes. So just going, learning as much as we can and preparing for this bull market. Now, I put out a question in the poll today, and I want to know what you guys think. Do you believe that this overall market cap for cryptocurrency can achieve a $10 trillion market cap in this bull run? And I'll tell you out of the gates, and I'll answer this a little bit more in my opinion on that as we go along. But I can tell you, CEO of Crypto.com, Chris Marszalek, he believes that's possible, and many, many others, and myself too in a capacity. I hope it goes that high. I think it's possible because there's a lot of signs that say this could be that dangerous word here, super cycle. But of course, nothing on this channel's financial advice. We are speculators just like you guys. And so we're just going to do the best we can covering each story as it comes up in this space. So today, let's get into the charts. Let's see what's hot, what's not, what the big stories are on the day, and then a little bit about Consensus, which we're about to attend. I'm very excited for that. So welcome back, guys. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more content. Let's get into it and get started, guys. Welcome back, Shy Sox, TWH, EJ Morgan, all the folks in the chat. Welcome. Let's look at what's going on. So today, Bitcoin is coming down a little bit. Very, very interesting. Now, it is the end of the month. And so what you've got is Bitcoin, which I'm going to pull this up. Again, the overall market seems like it's headed in the right direction. Bitcoin has been stuck. It's been now 87 days so far. So far since what? So far since Bitcoin has wicked above its previous high from the last bull market. And typically, we're going to see in a bull market for crypto, Bitcoin break through that barrier and send the rest of the market higher. Now, can we achieve, let's get into it now, that $10 trillion market cap? And guys, I'm going to tell you, I've got the line right there drawn out because I do personally believe that it's possible. At some point in the future, I believe that Bitcoin can flip gold. Gold is a $12 or $13 trillion asset class in itself. And if the market cap of Bitcoin one day is at 12 or 13 trillion, well, then there you go. It's 50% of the market. Bitcoin dominance is 50% right now. How do I know that? All you got to do is look at any market tracker. 52% dominance for Bitcoin right now. Ethereum basically at 18% for a very long time. So when Bitcoin achieves that gold flippening, the overall market cap is going to be greater than $20 trillion most likely. Now, I don't necessarily think that we're going to see Bitcoin flip gold in this bull market. Maybe that happens in the next one. Maybe this is the last traditional bull market because of the institutional money. It's hard to say. But as for a $10 trillion market cap, can Bitcoin achieve a $5 trillion market cap? Can we get a 5x for Bitcoin from here? And, or it's not even a 5x for Bitcoin from here. Well, yeah, it is, because Bitcoin's market cap is at a $1.3 trillion market cap. So let's say Bitcoin 5x's, okay? That brings you to like a $250,000 Bitcoin, give or take, okay? A little bit more than that. So if it goes to 5 trillion, you're looking at basically roundabouts a $200,000 Bitcoin. And that is something that I do believe is possible. And it's something that I've talked about many times on this channel. And so let's look at exactly why I say something like that. And I'll come back to this liquidation heat map here in a second. But if you look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart and you think that, okay, institutions, presidential candidates, everybody's talking about crypto, celebrities like Caitlyn Jenner, you've got Iggy Azalea and others that are probably going to start getting into crypto as well. We're coming into that bull market rally. You look at some of the price levels we could see for Bitcoin, and $200,000 seems easy, honestly, when you look at where we could potentially go in some of these bands that we've easily achieved in the past. And guys, I even believe that we could see some of these bright, red, maybe even the dark red line in this bull market because of what we're seeing with the news. It's crazy. I've never seen so many people into crypto. You have people that were anti-crypto people, now pro-crypto people. You have people that were anti-crypto people that have egg on their face. Benjamin McKenzie, famous actor from Gotham and the OC. Egg on the face. He was wrong. And so many people repeatedly have been wrong about Bitcoin. And now BlackRock, the largest financial institution in the world, has more Bitcoin than Grayscale. Grayscale launched a Stacks ETF or a Stacks Trust. Stacks is layer 2 solution for Bitcoin. People are building on top of Bitcoin. That's going to bring more money into Bitcoin and the Bitcoin DeFi economy. I think that a $200,000 Bitcoin is on the table here, my friends. Possibly a $250,000 Bitcoin. And so can we achieve a $10 trillion market cap? I believe so. I really do personally believe so. And so if you agree or disagree, let me know by voting in the poll that I put out for you guys on this channel today. I'm very curious what your thoughts are. This week is a big week for crypto as CoinDesk is presenting this CoinDesk Consensus Conference. And so Oscar Ramos is down there right now, Zach Humphreys, and so many others, guys. There's going to be the Karate Combat tournament sponsored or set up by George from Cryptos R Us. I'm George. We're all George, and people are fighting now for George, which is very interesting. I may or may not go to this. This is tomorrow night. We will be in Austin, Texas tomorrow. I think I want to go. We'll see if we get the crew to go. Gonna hang out with some of the boys, and so we'll just kind of see if, the night takes us that way. But I think a lot of people are going to be there. I think it'd be a lot of fun to go to that. So we're going to check that out. But what is Consensus? It's the world's largest, longest running, and most influential gathering that brings together all sides of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. And I'm so excited to go. We're going to have a lot of big names there. As you can see, Robert F. Kennedy, Kathy Wood's going to be there. Mike Novogratz is going to be there. Anthony Pompliano. Other ones that maybe you do or do not know. You've got politicians, a lot of politicians that are going to be there. Very, very interesting to see. You got the CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse. It's going to be there, and so many others, guys. So this is going to be huge. Maybe I'll snap a pic with some of these guys. Over 15,000 attendees, over 6,800 companies, 850 plus invest, more than that for sure. And we got a press pass for this, thanks to CoinDesk. So shout out to CoinDesk. So, they're kind of like sponsoring our ticket, I guess, to the conference in a sense. We're not sponsored by CoinDesk, but we filed for a press pass. They give us a press pass. So, tickets to this event are like $1,500, but we ended up getting a press pass because we do have a YouTube channel and we are, in a sense, I guess, the press, though I hate that word. But anyway, we are going to be going to this. Coverage starts at 9 a.m. CT time. So we're going to be there tomorrow, probably getting there at about, 9:30 to the conference, getting together with Oscar and the boys, just seeing what's going on. Very excited for this. Definitely one that I'm going to see is Robert F. Kennedy Jr. speaking. I want to see that one on Friday. And then there's going to be some other ones kind of coming out as well. You got the Chainlink co-founder coming. A lot of big names, guys. And so this is going on. And it's a bull market season. What's good to see is, too, breaking news. Let me get out of that. No. Clicking ads. Oh, boy. The ads got me, folks. Winklevoss twins. These guys, they got Facebook stolen from them. And then by Mark Zuckerberg. And then they went over and they created a crypto exchange. Unfortunately, there was a big hack, I guess, or they went bankrupt. Forget exactly what the story is there, but this was a big story. Gemini lost all their users' funds, and so they're actually going to give back those customer funds. Wow, these ads on this website are horrible. And they're going to get back triple the value of the frozen assets. And so this is a big story coming out today. So that's good to see. Shout out to JV Dade, Thought Labs on Solana Network. Been a loyal customer for 5 years. Have great trust in their CEO. Curious to hear your thoughts on this chart. We could check that out. Thanks for that super chat, JV Dade. Hard to say that name. We could check it out real quick. Labs. Been around for 5 years. Okay, we could check it out. I don't know what it is. Is that a meme? Is that a legitimate project? Labs. Hopefully this is a legitimate project here. Insane Labs. $21 million market cap. It is on Solana. Solana's a hot network on Radium and Jupiter. No exchange listings for that. Token designed for Insane Labs Company, which is a top 50 supplement company worldwide. Insane Labs also has 2 film divisions. Music Labs. Critical component for the entire infrastructure. Yeah, I mean, I'm not getting really a lot from that. What's their Twitter look like? 109K followers. That's pretty cool. Looks like they've got their own supplements line, which is very interesting. I don't partner with Saw, the movie. Weird, strange. What do they got going on here? AI integration. Buzzword. I have no idea what this is. I'm not really catching on to what this is. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know anything about this. I'm not really getting a lot. Just, if I can't really figure it out in like 2 minutes of looking at it, that I don't love it. But the chart looks decent. I don't know. I have no idea what this is, but I checked it out for you. Appreciate that super chat, but I really can't say a whole lot about that. I mean, I really didn't learn much by just reading that right there. So anyway, yeah. Anyway, in a crypto bull market, if we do achieve a $10 trillion market cap, then a lot of coins that you've never heard of, maybe like that, and others, they will get some price action, right? I say it all the time, repeatedly on this channel, that in a crypto bull market, in a parabolic crypto bull market, what we see is altcoins go to the moon. We see a lot of 5x, 10x, 20x opportunities, and the bigger the overall crypto market cap goes, then the more these little coins can pump, meme coins and utility coins alike. I think that majority of the large cap coins, majority are going to achieve their previous all-time highs, but there are going to be some that maybe should, that won't, and it's just impossible to say what they're going to be. But it is not impossible to say that if Bitcoin goes up and we see a $4 trillion or a $5 trillion market cap for Bitcoin at some point in this bull market, and we see a $10 trillion market cap for crypto overall, the altcoins are absolutely going to explode. So I'm very excited for that. And it's good to see these things happening where these people that failed, you know, the Winklevoss twins, their exchange platform failed. They're going to give their customers their money back. And that's what we want to see. And we want to see some better products come out in the future. More partnerships are coming out. PayPal came out with their own stablecoin, now available on the Solana blockchain. That's good to see. Though Solana's already cheap, just more partners coming to the party. Coinbase, Circle, Kraken join crypto's new neighborhood watch for cyber threats. This is good because there's a lot of scams going on in crypto all the time, and that's why we say do your own research all the time, my friends. By the way, if you guys have any questions, feel free to throw them at me in the comments section. But guys, this is very interesting news, and so we just want to continue to see more progress like this, more developments going on in the space. And what's cool to see is, and there you go, there's Brad Garlinghouse, who again is going to be attending Consensus, the conference that we are going to here tomorrow. You know, I don't know why. Ripple Labs announcement follows a surprising month of Washington wins for crypto firms. Ripple Labs, a major cryptocurrency firm, said that Wednesday it's going to contribute $25 million. So $25 million from Ripple Labs alone is going to go towards super PACs. And that's just one crypto entity, right? So you've got a lot of dollars, a lot of pro-crypto dollars that are going to pro-crypto candidates. And earlier I saw an article actually that said that 2/3 of voters crypto, let's see this, 1/3 of US voters say they'll weigh a candidate's crypto views before voting. This is a new poll that came out. This is a big deal, guys. This is a big deal, and we predicted this exactly on the channel. This is something we predicted quite a while ago. And it was obvious, right? And so now you've got big money coming in from crypto, big wigs towards pro-crypto candidates. It's very curious to see where that money goes to. Does it go to Republican candidates? Does it go to Democratic candidates? Is it mostly towards the presidential candidates? Is it spread out throughout the party? Who's it going to go to? Still TBD, but everybody's poising themselves as a pro-crypto person. Little update for you guys on the Cronos memes and some other memes out there. Mystery Mary token came out with the game. This game looks like it's launching very soon. That's kind of neat. They had some issues recently, but they're trying to put a hole, or plug the hole in the boat, and stop some of the bleeding. Still the number one trending meme token on Cronos right now, but it is definitely getting a nasty retracement right now. Though I'll say this, the Cronos meme coin ecosystem is still in its infancy. The overall meme coin ecosystem for Cronos, here you go. You can look at this, memes on Cronos. The market cap of all the memes put together on Cronos is there's only 85 meme tokens, which is nothing, okay? Compared to Solana or Ethereum, you're talking about 8,500 minimum on each of those chains. And only 824 million. The overall market cap of every single meme token when you add them up on Cronos is less than $1 billion. That's going to change. At some point, it's going to be much bigger than that. How big? I don't know. I can't decide. It's not for me to say. But I can say that Crypto.com is one of the most regulatory compliant exchanges in the world. They are one of the biggest. When they list tokens, they go wild, especially their own memes, it seems, which there's only been a couple of. Corgi AI, Buy the Dip token, and Crow with Knife, to my knowledge. And I think there's going to be some others coming, but it's premature to say which ones and when. And so what we're just going to do is I'm holding my plays right now, Mary and Stuck, and just because I hold a token or don't hold a token doesn't mean anything, guys. There's a lot of great plays out there. No doubt the Corgi Eye is here to stay. No doubt the Crow with Knife has shown a lot of strength. No doubt that Buy the Dip token got a Crypto.com exchange listing. Oh, and Crab Mob did, which I never really liked that one. But, you know, to each his own. Maybe it's a good one. Maybe I'm missing out. And then there's others that, you know, people think are going to get listed as well. So we'll see. We will see. In the meantime, I'm just kind of holding on. But the whole ecosystem's down right now. The whole ecosystem's down. You know, Crow with Knife looks like it wants to have a little bit of a comeback. Kind of scooping up. That's good to see. I think if that can come back up, we could see possibly the whole ecosystem get another move as well, which would be a beautiful, beautiful thing. Another meme I've been talking about, getting a breakout Welsh, guys. Welsh Corgi coin, the first dog coin built on Bitcoin via the layer 2 solution on Bitcoin stacks. Had a wedge forming. It kind of broke up and out of that wedge. I think we're about to get a massive move to the upside. I think this is an easy 10x play. I think this might even be a 100x play, but I'm not going to get ahead of myself. No facts behind that. That is just on my own research, on my own opinion. Let me know what you guys think about Welsh in the comments down below. But it's not just Welsh, okay? This is a meme, guys. I'm bullish on the overall stacks ecosystem. People are building DeFi on top of Bitcoin. If you look at the size of the DeFi market for Ethereum compared to the market cap of Ethereum, it is very large. When you look at Bitcoin DeFi market cap versus the market cap of Bitcoin, it is very small, and I think there's a lot more upside for that. Now, Stacks is the leading layer 2 solution for Bitcoin and DeFi on Bitcoin, and so I'm looking forward to seeing this thing get these highs back, but we're going to have to wait for that Bitcoin breakout. Let's do a little Q&A, my friends. Let's do a little Q&A. How is everybody doing today? Chat's quiet today. Chat is quiet today. Everybody's busy on this Wednesday. Very, very interesting. Waldo says, I am back in the green on Welsh. That is because you, my friend, bought while there was blood in the streets, and I like to see that. I bought when there was blood in the streets as well. I've been in the green on Welsh because I did get in quite early, which is good to see, but I even bought the dip as well, so that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. That's what we like to do. We like to buy the dips and then let her rip. But, you know, we just got to remember, guys, that meme coins are extremely risky and extremely volatile. Can the overall crypto market cap achieve $10 trillion in the next bull run? And 88% of you guys say yes, and 12% of you guys say no, and I agree. I think it can happen. I do think that it can happen. Let's zoom in on Bitcoin, see what's going on here. I've been telling you guys for a while, don't be surprised to see us dancing around these levels right in here, right? There's a lot going on in these levels, right? I expect a lot more dancing possibly in here even. We've been playing that game. This is the previous all-time high, this green line right here from the last bull market, which we've obviously broken above at this point. But now we kind of have this other channel, which we broke above, broke back down below. I think we're going to probably come back up above this, find more resistance here, probably, until we don't. And until we see another test of this level. And even at that point, I don't expect us to just go right through, right? I expect us to more so kind of play this game where we kind of come up, bounce, you know, bounce, test, and then finally have that move to the upside. Just that parabolic move, which we've been waiting for. And, like, this is such a nice little fake, you know, set of lines that I drew. But this is, like, almost exactly how it could play out. You never know. You never know. I don't know. Neither do you. We're all speculating together. But inevitably, the bull market's here, guys. There's a lot of big things happening. Chris Gomez in the chat. Bloody Mary. That's right, my friends. That's right. Good time to buy some dips on coins that are down. I prefer to buy coins while they're low. I did buy my Mary pretty high. I dollar cost averaging lower a little bit, and it even came lower, but I'm still holding on. So we'll see. Made some good money on some of the other memes. Consolidated my positions for now. Kind of letting some of the fear and concerns clear out, and I think we're kind of getting past that. Things are a little calmer today. Still some drama. I'm sick of the drama. I got some people in my DMs acting a fool, and no names to mention on that. I'm not going to call anybody out, but it's just interesting to see people show their true colors. And here I am. I'm just going to stay positive, and I'm not going to FUD people's bags on memes, on utility coins, whatever it is. So I'm going to stay positive and try to take the higher road. And I'll just let some of the people, you know, continue to go crazy. Because there's a lot of emotions. That's the crazy thing about the meme coins. Do I regret going into the meme coins? No, I made good money, right? And I think there's a great opportunity still ahead to make good money on those. But I am certainly annoyed with the drama of the meme coin ecosystem. Very annoyed. Just trying to have some fun with it. And there's party poopers out there. A lot of party poopers. So, you know, and that's no pointing fingers on any particular community. Let me just say this. Positivity trumps negativity, so let's stay positive whoever you are, wherever you are, whatever coin you're in. And I think you'll be better off in the end of the day. That's my personal opinion. That's not financial advice. That's just common sense, to be honest with you. Legacy Legendsman says, get that mill bag on Cronos, Kip. Should I? Maybe I should. Maybe I should. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I probably will. Legacy Legendsman, what's up? What else is going on, guys? Quiet chat today. Hugo Lima, what is that? Is that a coin? I don't even know what that is. I don't like it. I don't know. I don't know anything about it. I just don't like to talk about things that I don't know. Coin Baron did it. Coin Baron did it. Nice. A million crow bag. Hey, when crow goes to $1, you got $1 million bucks. That's a beautiful thing. That's a beautiful thing. One of my highest conviction plays right now is Stacks, because Bitcoin is Bitcoin. And the number one, DeFi play for Bitcoin is going to be, it's going to be Stacks, guys. So I'm going to remain bullish on that. I can't stop. Could I be wrong? Yeah. I've been right. I've been wrong. I may be right. I may be wrong. All right, all right. What else we got going on, fam? Yeah, but I am very excited for this consensus conference. Got everything set up. Got a 3 a.m. pickup tomorrow morning. That's going to be rough. 3 a.m. pickup tomorrow morning. Black C's super excited about it. No, he's a trooper. I couldn't go out Wednesday night, so we're doing what we can, guys. We're gonna go Thursday, Friday. Have a beautiful time at consensus. Conferences are today. We're gonna go out Thursday, Friday. We've got a car ready at the airport. We're gonna rent a car, do a whole thing, stay with some of the boys. Oscar Ramos, Zach Humphreys. Looking forward to some of that. GitHub said 88 ETFs came out in Germany. Well, they're probably going to come out in the US too. I don't know if that's true either, but I think we're going to see Cardano ETF. We're going to see Solana ETF. I think we're going to see a Stacks ETF one day maybe. And, it's speculation, but once the Ethereum ETF is approved, what is stopping anything else that's a major chain from getting an ETF? I don't think there's a lot. I don't think there's a lot stopping it. Waldo's asking, will Coinbase custody the ETH ETF? I'm sure they will. I'm very confident that they will. I don't know who else would. I'm very confident that they would, Waldo. Good question. Good question. What else you guys got going on? I'm going to go ahead and end this poll because 88% of you guys agree that we're going to get a $10 trillion market cap, and I think so as well. Let's put out another poll. How about this? Will Cronos have a meme coin season 2? Let me know what you guys think. So Bitcoin, let's see what's going on with BTC. So tomorrow, again, I go to consensus. So tonight, I'm going to go on a beautiful date with my beautiful wife, with my precious little baby on the way. So we're going to go get some dinner, have a nice night together, because I'm not going to see her till it's Friday night. Probably Friday night. She might have a sleepover with her sister, which is fun. Aiden says, why is everything dropping? Well, things go up and things come down from time to time. I mean, look at Solana as a good example. Solana's a great coin. Solana from its highs came down 43%. So, you think meme coins are volatile. Regular coins are volatile too. I don't know if we're talking about memes or other. But I think it's because it's the end of the month. Let's look at this really quick. Great question. Thanks for the question. Let's look at this one real quick. Because this is important to consider. Because, again, it is the 29th. We got January, February, March, April, May. So I just did the knuckle thing. This ends on the 31st. That's my, preschool trick that I learned. Bitcoin percentage returns. We have a May that's in the green. And I think we're going to have a June that's in the green. And I think we're going to have a July that's in the green. And I hope we have an August, September in the green too. But I think the peak of this bull market could be around November or December, possibly into 2025. That would be great. If we get a really pro crypto presidential candidate that comes through, we could have a very bullish 2025 as well. But I'm not going to put the cart before the horse. Alex Duarte read that BlackRock is buying their own Bitcoin ETF. That is true, my friend. All you have to do is look right here, and I know exactly what you're talking about. I track the news, my friends. I track the news. So we'll talk about that. But yes, This was a big story that came out today. MasterCard Crypto Credential launches first peer-to-peer pilot transactions, partners with Mercado Bitcoin. That's cool. But you can see here, first of all, BlackRock is now the largest ETF in the world. But then also, BlackRock's 2 funds have disclosed exposure to their own Bitcoin ETF in the SEC filings. So yes, you're exactly correct, Alex. And you know what's cool about that is a lot of people in the beginning, myself included, said, you know, BlackRock buying Bitcoin, right? Oh, BlackRock buying Bitcoin. The BlackRock Bitcoin ETF comes out. It's actually people like you and me and people that have retirement accounts and funds with BlackRock as a advisor, right? That were investing. It wasn't BlackRock themselves, but actually BlackRock themselves was buying it, and that is now confirmed. 2 of their funds have disclosed exposure to their own Bitcoin ETF in the SEC filings. This is huge news. It's just getting started. I agree. That's why I think we are going to $10 trillion. SHIB creeping back up. SHIB is creeping back up a little bit, creeping its way back. Now ranked number 9, which is beautiful. Up 10% over the last week. Up 4% over the last 24 hours. Yes, Shiba Inu is going to have a pump at some point in this bull market. This is looking actually really nice. This is a very healthy shape. A nice cup forming here. Yep, it's going to have a good move, guys. It's going to have a good move. Easy 3x in my opinion, but not 100x. Shiba won't 100x from here. It could 10x, it could 3x, but it's not going to 100x. $160 billion market cap would be a 10x. That's hard to believe. Could it happen? It might. You never know. Is the catalyst here the fact that this dog died? I like how they're giving these little news stories of when things happened. Vitalik donates $1 billion of Shiba Inu to India COVID fund. That was the top over here. Very interesting. Those of you guys that don't know, yeah, Shiba Inu, Vitalik receives half the supply for Shiba Inu. That happened in the very beginning of Shiba Inu. Half the supply of this token was sent to Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder for Ethereum. And then he just gave it away. He gave away billions of dollars. Gave it away. Burned half of it and gave the other half to this India COVID fund. Shiba Inu's not done yet, but Pepe is stealing the show right now. That is for sure. What else is going on, guys? How we doing? Well, guys, if you want to become a member on our channel, by the way, get access to our private Discord, you can join us in the links in the description down below. If you want to become a member, go ahead and check it out. That's a lot of fun building a community. If you guys want to trade some of the volatility in crypto, you can sign up for Femex using our link down below. Get up to $4,100 when you deposit some money into Femex. Pakistan says crypto dropping in anticipation of the Fed, the CPI, of tomorrow's Fed CPI. Probably. That's a good analogy. Analysis, Paka. Yeah, I do agree. Greetings from New Zealand. Greetings from the US of A, my friend. Greetings to you. 20 likes, by the way, 43 viewers right now. Do me a favor, tap that like button. It takes no time at all, and it is the #1 thing you can do to support a channel. It's totally free to do. Crowcoin, cupping out, looking decent, looking like it wants to come up, coming down right now. Hopefully we kind of keep cupping here. Moving it down a little bit, cheating. Hopefully this thing comes up, guys. I'm bullish on Crow. I think it's going to hit $1. I think it can go to $2 to $5 in the bull run. But I think it's going to be a late bloomer. Because that's typically what Crow does. That's what happened. The last one, I did a video on that last night. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Anyway, guys, that's all I got today. Quiet chat today. Quiet chat. Got through the news pretty quick. Got a busy day tomorrow. So next time you see me, I will be in Austin, Texas with my partner, Black Sea. With Oscar Ramos, Zach Humphreys, Austin Hilton. We're going to have some fun. We'll see how it goes, guys. That's all I got on this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. And as always, guys, don't forget to DCA, HODL, do your own research, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. More videos later today. As always. See you next time, folks. Peace.